Hey guys, my name is Rain and today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious pasta dish using zucchini noodles instead of your regular wheat pasta. Puttanesca is a traditional Italian pasta sauce which is normally made on the stove, but I like to roast my puttanesca. It just makes it so easy. I throw everything into a roasting dish, pop it into the oven at 200 degrees Celsius and it takes about 40 minutes. So in here I've got cherry tomatoes, red pepper which I cut into cubes, then I've got some sun-dried tomato chopped up, finely chopped capers, finely chopped anchovies, and then one of my secret ingredients is when I put the black olives in, I add a little bit of the brine. So not the whole packet of brine, just about 60 mils, but it deepens that beautiful olive flavor into the sauce. Then I've got some olive oil, a little bit of balsamic, salt, and some red chilies if you like a bit of heat. So I'm going to pop this into the oven and in about 40 minutes we'll have a beautiful puttanesca sauce. While your sauce is in the oven, you can make your zucchini noodles. So this contraption over here is called a spiralizer and you can buy it at any health shop, and this is what will allow you to turn your zucchini into noodles. When you're using the spiralizer, the bigger the marrow, the better. So you want ones that are at least this big. Small little baby marrows are not really going to work very well. So to make your noodles, first of all, you're just going to cut the top of the zucchini off and then open the spiralizer up to its largest width, and you're going to push the end of the zucchini into the spikes on the spiralizer, and then the other end will go onto this little silver circular bit. And then from there, just hold down with your hand so that it doesn't move around, and you're going to turn and push at the same time with the hand that is turning, and you'll see your zucchini noodles coming out the front there. And just keep going right to the end of the zucchini. Then pull this bit back and you'll take out the leftover bit of the zucchini, which is basically the center. And the noodles have come off around that center bit. So it's really simple and easy. And then from there, I like to cut the noodles up because they're super long. So I'll just lay them out on my board and maybe cut them into 3 lengths like that. And then that's your pasta for your sauce. I've taken my sauce out the oven and it's looking delicious. As you can see, all the ingredients have sort of melded together into this beautiful rich sauce. I'm going to dish up a portion for myself by placing some zucchini noodles in my bowl and then adding some sauce. And then you can add a grind of some fresh black pepper. And you can top it with a bit of Parmesan cheese, or I prefer to use nutritional yeast flakes, which have a Parmesan-like flavor and they're very high in B vitamins. This is delicious. This is one of my favorite dishes to make. It's so simple, quick and easy, and so flavorsome. It's also one of the recipes you'll find in my upcoming online course, The Nudie Foodie.